Hey guys, it's Quantain, and today I have something a bit special. So today we are going to be working on my RC car, and I'm going to be adding a new ESC and motor to it. We have the Spektrum 3300 kilovolt brushless motor and a smart 85 amp brushless ESC. So this is a 2-cell to 3-cell setup. I got this because when I got my Granite, it wasn't that fast. And yeah, so I am gonna be putting these in today. So yeah, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright, so first we have the motor here, and now let's unbox the ESC. Alright, now we have the ESC right here. So let me get these both out so I can show you kind of how this works. So now we have the, let me get these out of there. Oh, that was a drill. My bad. So first off, we have ESC up here and motor down here. All spots to screw in. And yeah, so, oh, one thing I really loved about this is it has a separate on-off switch. So I will be mounting this on the outside. So yeah, let's get right into the installation. Wait. Before we install, I totally forgot. We have to get rid of the first motor and ESC out of there. So yeah, let's do that first. Alright, and as you can see, disconnected old ESC. Now I just have to get disconnected from here and yeah, get rid of the motor. Alright, I'm gonna move my camera. Onto the motor. Sorry, Russell. We now have this whole assembly out, so I'm gonna take the motor out of here, and yeah, then we can move on with installation. that, we have the front cover off. So yeah, I'm gonna remove, well actually yeah, I'm gonna remove the motor, and then should be set. Put everything back in place, and we'll be good. Alright, sorry about that guys. I had a screen time limit on my phone and it ran out. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna take the bit off and take the motor out, and then we're gonna replace it with the Spektrum one. So yeah, let's crack on. Okay, so yeah, got the motor out. Now I'm just gonna take out the screw and take off the bit, and then yeah, put it back onto this one. So yeah, let's go. I don't know if you can see that, but I got it apart. Yeah, rest in peace to this old one, this duty piece of crap, but, yeah, we're done. Now just putting the Spektrum one back in, and we can work on the ESC. So, a bit back on, yeah, let's, whoa. Yeah, let's, put this dingling thingy back on. What happened? Oh no. Damn, okay, never mind, I'm good, bro. No, wait, never mind, I'm not. No, I'm not. What the hell? Oh, never mind. I found it. All right. We're good. So yeah, let me put the motor back in now. So, yeah. So yeah, we have all these in place now. So I'm gonna put this back in the RC car, and then we can attach the ESC, all right? So yeah, let's do that. Alright guys, I am so sorry for leaving again. My phone just ran out of battery. I swear to God, I'm having so many problems today. But as you can see, I have gotten the motor in successfully. So yeah, I am gonna install the ESC now. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, so just fitted the ESC on. Yeah, the ESC on. Yeah, so I haven't really decided where I'm gonna put it. I might slap it on right here. Does that sound good? Right, just right here. Well, actually, no, I need a screw. I do not have a screw for this. Oh, I forgot. It came with some 3M tape right here. You see that? So I think I'm gonna stick that on the back here and then slap it on. I'm not really sure where, but because there's dumb little knob here, but yeah, we'll figure that out in a bit. So yeah, I believe we are almost, I think we are pretty much ready. Actually, let's figure out the power button right now. So I think for now I'm going to just kind of stick it down here. I actually think I have some screws. I'll be right back. Alright, let's go. So I found these tiny little screws that I'm gonna try to drill in. I have a drill bit here for them. So yeah, I'm gonna try to do that now. Alright, so I found a nice little screw to get in here. So yeah, I think we are done. I have my lipos up there that I'm gonna pull out. I'm gonna pull out the stock one real quick. Got the stock lipo 2-cell right here. And yeah, let's plug it in and see if it feels. Oh, actually I forgot one thing. I have to put in new AA batteries for my transmitter. So yeah, let's do that real quick. Alright, new batteries onto the transmitter. Let's hope this works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be real angry. Transmitter on. Connected, maybe. Not getting any power yet. Maybe. I am not sure why it is not working.